In this tutorial, you will learn how to download and install the Power Buy app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open your Microsoft Store. Search for Power Buy. Click on Power Buy. Press the Get button to start downloading Power Buy. Wait for Power Buy to be downloaded and installed. Now your Power Buy app should be installed. Now type in your Power Buy login info. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.